Dear colleague, my name is Abba Tahir. I'm the HR manager at AURAK. On behalf of the university, I am delighted to have you join our dedicated community. Congratulations on your new role. We warmly welcome you to our team, where we are driven by our core values that shape our operations and guide us in making a positive impact on the world. To support your success in your new position, we have created the AURAK HR virtual orientation and induction platform. This platform contains all the information you need to familiarize yourself with AURAK and excel in your role. Within the platform, you will find resources including video recordings that cover essential topics. After each section, we have included quick tests to assess your understanding and ensure you have grasped the key points. These topics will provide valuable insights into our institution, enabling you to navigate your role with clarity and confidence. Our HR team is available to assist you during working hours, and we encourage you to reach out if you have any questions or need support. The team will be happy to assist you. Once again, welcome on board. We are thrilled to have you as part of our team and look forward to a successful journey together. Thank you.